I've been growing my threads like crazy the last few days with just one simple trick. And I'm gonna show you how to do it after the intro. Okay, first I got a photo here where I want to apply the effect of the text appearing behind the object. What I do first is I just apply a preset so that all pictures of my photoblogging day have the same colors. For me, I just use a preset I downloaded sometime. And for me, it's this one for me. And just do a slight edit here. And that's good for me. So now I'm gonna right click, edit in Photoshop. And it's gonna open Photoshop and we're gonna do the trick here. Just press yes. Step 1, choose the object selection tool and basically just click on the object you want to have the text behind. For me, it's just that bottle. I'm gonna click it. Press Command J or Control J for Windows. And now I have just the object here on this layer. Now I'm gonna add a text. I'm just gonna type something like best Mate. I would propose to use a font which is using big letters, like it has to be really bold. So now I'm gonna drag my text of where I want it to be, for example here. And now I just have to drag the text layer behind the layer that we just created, which is the bottle. Yeah, and that's it. That's how I did all the photoblogging posts. And yeah, it's fun, it's quick, and it's gonna help you grow. So try it out yourself and please leave a follow and a like, and thanks for watching.